Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I want to let you know about the new Facebook page we have, which is Morbid Team Entertainment and Barter by Sell. We're going to need some props for our future experimental horror films. So if you have some props, some items lying around that you don't need, you would like to donate or sell, rent out to us for a short period of time, then that would be great. We can definitely use them. What are those type of items for props? Well, we'll let you know closer to the time of filming in 2023. Also, if you have a business and you have some bizarre items that you sell, that type of a thing, then you're welcome to post those items for sale, buy, barter, things like that of that nature, up onto the group. All this will keep you updated on what's going on. So check us out, Morbid Team Entertainment, and that's buy, barter, sell. And you're welcome to add as many people. That will keep you on the know and in the know of what's going on with our experimental horror films for the Philippine Islands set in 2023. All right, welcome to subscribe. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.